Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I am so excited to finally be showing you guys all of these products because I've been working on this collab for so stinking long, and I am so excited to show you guys everything because we haven't done a release of like items that aren't stickers, I feel like, in forever. So I don't even know where to start because it's all so exciting. I guess I'll start with the kit and then I'll move into the other items, and then I will show you guys the items from Kane of printpression because I think they are so dang cute. But this is the Park Hopper kit, and it does come in a mini and an ultimate. I'll show you guys the ultimate kit first, and I wanted to do like a Disney home kit. I do a lot of like park kits, not exclusive necessarily, but just in general, and I wanted to do kind of like a Disney home kit since a lot of us aren't able to go to Disney but want to still have magical spreads. So this is kind of like Disney like office goals. I just think it's such a cute collection. I love the girls. I love this board that says I'm either at Disney or missing Disney. The office, the bar cart, super cute, and I love all of the products from me and Kane that are in the boxes. I just think it's super cute. I love the colors, and yeah, I'm just really excited. I think I might use this for my birthday, really going back and forth, but I think that this is just so cute. This is the extra boxes, so you have a outfit flat lay, and then you have just a little like thought bubble of Disney, which I thought was adorable. Again, these colors are so fun. So you have a pink, a really pretty peachy orange, a nice like aqua baby blue, and then a like charcoal color. And then you have your deco. I love the wax melts. So pretty. The glitter headers page, the half boxes page. I love the patterns, the labels, the pattern labels, the bottom washi with the terrazzo, and then the stars throughout. And then the extra boxes here is the fashion. On the left, you have the two other skin tone options as well. So that is the ultimate kit for Park Hopper. I think it's super cute. You can use it really anytime that you are missing Disney or if it's just your all the time vibe. I'll go ahead and quickly flip through the mini kit. So you do have the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then the same freebie as the ultimate. And then there is some a la carte add-on options if you want, though the kit will definitely get you where you need to go with a weekly spread. So you do have a label sampler if you want to add that on. There is a 15mm strip, which will look so cool with any foil color. It'll really pop. And then you also have tall girls if you want to add them on as well. And I love all of the different outfit combos on these girls there. Then let's go into the foil releases for this week. I'll show you guys these ones first because it's kind of like a little intro to the foil bundles. So I do have a la carte items. These are kind of like, you know, the shop staples. So this will be a, you know, like a confetti or a heart or a star or celestial. It'll be in the shop always. So you do have the large deco pieces. I thought these would be really cute because all of these items will have small deco in, you know, celestial or star or hearts, and the magic one's coming soon, the new format. So this is kind of a larger option that you can either use with Park Hopper or you could use with those ones as well. So these are large. They're great for not only decorating your spreads, but also decorating dashboards or pockets or whatever you want to do with them. They're super cute and universal. Or like, hold on, would be really cute. I have it all over here. Is putting it on maybe even the wallet. Here she is. Like putting one of these little deco pieces on the wallet there so you have a little bit of sparkle. I'm decorating everything with these. So those are the large deco, and then there is the full boxes. So it comes in all 5 foils. So you do have gold, silver, hollow, rose, sparkly hollow. I said that in a weird order, but y'all know what I mean. So the new kind of format, you do have the headers again in all 5 foils. Super cute. I love this for like any magical spread. It's just super fun. Something a little bit different than the regular magic. So if you want to switch it up a little bit. And this I think also could kind of be anytime because I feel like the Mickey heads are kind of like hidden in there, like hidden Mickeys, so cute. And then you do have the 15 millimeter, like the large version in all 5 foils, as well as the confetti in all 5 foils. Super excited about this. I think with, you know, any like magical spread or anything like that, I think it also, like I said, could lean kind of anytime because it is only a 4th Mickey heads. So love that. And then let's go into the foil bundles for this week. So we do have 2 foil bundles this week. We are only doing the bougie sizing, but the catch is for the first 48 hours, I'm actually going to be pricing this at $9.95. So the price of a basic, so without the bougie, we're going to be doing the bougie bundle. So it's going to be a great deal. You're going to get the 6 sheets of foil for $9.95, and I am super excited because these are our top 2 selling like specialty foils, and it is Lavender Hollow and Champagne Lights, which is a sparkly gold hollow. It goes great with our gold. Let me show you this, because it's both kind of like warmer, you know. So let's go ahead and get into these. It is in the Park Hopper print. And again, I am obsessed. I think both of these would look really pretty. I feel like this is kind of one of those kits that you could use really any foil with it, and it would look really nice. You could use gold, silver, you could do sparkly hollow, you could do the Champagne Lights, Lavender Hollow, you could go into like a blue foil, a pink foil. There's lots of options. So you do have the 2 full box pages. So you have your 6 full boxes and then your headers on the side. There is the 2 bougie sheets, which are in the Champagne Lights, which is so beautiful. If you have January Mystery, you did get 1 sheet of Champagne Lights bougie. Then there is also the icons and the script page. And then last but not least, there is the bottom washi, the fancy headers deco, and the date numbers. I am obsessed with these, and I'm so excited to be able to offer them at $9.95 for the 48 hours. And I made sure to stock a lot, so if you want to stock up for the price point, definitely do so in that 48 hours. And then we do have Lavender Hollow, which I just love. It's such a pretty foil color, and I have used it so many times and love it. Again, you have your full boxes, you have your bougie boxes, you have the icons and the scripts, and then you also have the bottom washi, fancy headers, deco, and the date numbers. It's so pretty, but like, look how cute this would look. This would be so pretty with this, but also so pretty with this. Or if you wanted to do one of the core foils, you got options, but like, come on, because you have like the purple, and then there is like a little bit of an orange reflect in there. I love it. So let me know if you're planning on picking up this collection, what foil you guys are going to use. We will also have the matte samplers, and these will be available for the first 48 hours only. The next item we have are sticky notes, and there will be 4 different colors available. The first one here is the pink and hollow. The second one is the sparkly hollow and gray. Then we also have orange and gold. And then last but not least, we do have silver and blue. And these are Vellum Sticky notes, so you'll need some kind of like permanent marker to write on them. But they're so pretty, and the color that they end up being is a little bit different than the color that they look like, just because they are like a transparent sticky note, so whenever you like pile them on top of each other, they look darker than they actually are. But I think these colors are perfect and match amazingly with the collection. So all 4 of those will be available Wednesday as well. I'll leave pricing of everything down below for you guys. And then last but not least, I do also have some sticker albums. I've never done sticker albums before, but it's something I wanted to try for you guys, and I think they turned out so cute. There is one thing that I want to mention is I'm going to be pricing them a little lower than I initially planned to, because the this is not flush with the bottom, so whenever you have stickers in it, it won't stand up. I mean, actually, it sometimes stands up. It depends on like how it's weighted, but because this is flat and there's a little bit of room here, it could like kind of tilt over, but most of the times doesn't. But especially if you have it sandwiched, which most people have it like in like a bookshelf or something. See, like if you have it sandwiched in like a bookshelf, it won't be a problem, but I am going to be discounting it a little bit for that, just to let you guys know and to be transparent. But I really love these albums. I went ahead and formatted them to fit our sticker kits and all of our sticker sheets, our foil bundles. I'll go ahead and show you guys an example, but I just want to show you guys you can put our sticker sheets in here, you know, your functional stickers, your foiled stickers, and your kits, and it fits perfect. I wanted something that wasn't, you know, like everything's kind of flopping around. I wanted something perfectly sized for all of our stickers, and I think it turned out really cute. And I think whenever everything fits perfectly, like whenever you get like one of our cellos of our kits, everything fits perfectly. I just feel like it looks so neat and tidy and just like all, I don't know, I just love the way it looks when it's all just like perfectly aligned. So these are transparent albums with foil on them, and I just think it's super cute, and it'll match so many different like planner carts, or you know, you want your aesthetic of your bookshelf to be a certain way. So if you're a gold person, we have a gold option. We also have a silver, a sparkly hollow, and a hollow. And again, I kept it kind of minimal, so it just kind of like seamlessly blends into whatever you have going on. I did also order these, which these are on our matte paper, and these are stickers that you can put on the side or on the front. I'll show you guys an example, but the first one here is stickers, scripts, icons, and seasonal. And then the second one, I use this, is functional foil kits and characters. And I will come out with more of these if you guys have more suggestions of different things that you might want on your albums. But this is what it looks like. So this is my functional album, and I just went ahead and paired a gold script with it. I also formatted these scripts so you can use them basically with any album because they're very minimal in the design, and it just has a foil color. So I think it looks really cute. You could also put them on binders, like anything that you want, they'll be perfect. So cute. So that is my functional binder. So in here I have, you know, all kinds of different functional stuff. And in these sleeves, I do have like the full like selection of pages. This is actually 2 of everything from our pastel line, and then these ones have like 1 of everything from our like grayscale line. So super cute, love it, super chunky. I did opt for less pockets because I feel like sometimes a lot of the albums have like a ton of pockets, and I can't use a lot of them even if I only put a couple sheets in each. So I will leave all of the information for the albums down below. This one has kits in it, so you see there's some of my kits in here. Got some crest press kits in the back. A Once More with Love kit. Super cute. It won't fit the super wide kits, but I wanted to design something specifically for our kits. But if in the future you guys want something larger, I could do that as well. But I think it turned out super, super cute. And again, we do have it in gold, silver, sparkly hollow, and hollow. And I will leave all of the information for these guys down below. I think that's everything, but I hope that you guys like all of these new releases. I'll be back to kind of our normal schedule of releasing next week. I already have a bunch of kits lined up to release for you guys. So if, you know, magical things are not for you, don't worry. I will be back next week with all kinds of new stuff for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the stuff that Kane did for this collection because he sent me over everything, which is wild, and I love it all so much. But I'm just going to show you guys a couple of things. So let's go ahead and go through it. First things first is my favorite item, and that is the Margaret backpack. It's so cute. My favorite's actually the black, surprisingly. I just think it looks super chic. So basically they have either gold or silver hardware depending on the color. So black comes all with the gold hardware. Everything is so cute. You have the park hopper on there, but it's not too crazy. It's just on the front here. You have pockets on this side with a D-ring. You got your zippers. Inside you got compartments. In the back you got a compartment. You got a zipper back here. I will leave Kane's video link down below because he knows all of the lingo and stuff. So that's probably my favorite. And then it also comes in all of the colors. So I also really love the purple. Then there's also the Andrea pouch, which is so cute. I didn't know he was going to name it after me, and he sent me like the little graphic, and I was like, Kane. The blue is in silver. You have magnetic closure in there, and then 2 separate pockets. But this is super cute as like a pen pouch or as like a makeup bag or like just a compartment to throw anything in. And then there's also the wallet, which is super cute. You have your clear front, a zip pouch, and then it also does have like a keychain so you can attach it to anything. And then you have 2 card slots in the back with the park hopper on there as well. Again, this comes in all the colors. Last but not least, you also have the luggage tag, and this is the gray with the silver. So pink also comes with silver. Gray comes with silver, and this has the park hopper print on there, and then you can open it up and have your information on the inside, and you can put this on your purse or on a luggage, whatever you may. And then there is 2 different ways to put it on there. So you do have this one here, which is super secure, and then you also have the standard like keychain ring along with the little strap, which is super, super cute. So again, that is everything. I will leave Kane's video link down below, along with all of the pricing and everything in there as well. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I will get back to you ASAP, and I will talk to you guys later.